In this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel shipped order on Meesho. First method is try to cancel through the Meesho app. Open the Meesho app and go to Orders. Select the product you want to cancel and you will still see a cancel button. Just tap cancel order and choose a reason for cancellation, then confirm the cancellation. Once done, the order will be stopped during transit and returned to the seller. The second method is sometimes the cancel option may disappear due to courier lock or server delay. In that case, open the Meesho app, then go to Help, Chat or call support, then tell them I want to cancel my shipped order. They will manually request cancellation with the courier partner. The package will be returned to the seller and you will be paid your refund.